In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make easy standard operating procedures, SOPs, in Asana. 5 minutes. Let's get straight into it. Open Asana and log in with your work account so everything stays in your workspace. Once you're in, create a new project. A simple list view works great for SOPs because it keeps everything clear and scannable. Give the project a practical name like SOP Library so your team instantly knows what lives here. Next, set up sections to keep things organized. You can group by department, like marketing or operations, or by process type, such as onboarding, finance, or customer support. The goal is for anyone to land here and find the right procedure in seconds. Now, create a task for each SOP. Think of each task as the home for one process, with titles like onboarding new hires or process customer returns. Inside each task, add custom fields to make the library trackable. Include a status field with options like draft, live, or archived, and owner. So responsibility is clear, and a review date to keep content fresh. If you're on a plan that supports it, use drop-down fields for consistency. Structure each SOP task so it's easy to follow. Start with a clear, action-oriented task title, like Approve Purchase Orders or Publish Blog Post. In the description, write the purpose of the SOP, any prerequisites or tools needed, and concise steps your team can follow. Keep the language simple and specific. For complex workflows, record a short Loom video walking through the process, then paste the link at the top of the task. Under the video, add concise text steps so people can skim quickly when they don't need the full walkthrough. This combo saves time and reduces confusion. Use comments to gather feedback and manage the SOP's lifecycle. Teammates can ask questions, suggest improvements, or note edge cases right where the SOP lives. When you update the SOP, add a quick comment and change the status field so the team is always in the loop. To keep everything current, add a recurring subtask assigned to the owner to review the SOP on a schedule, such as quarterly. Set a due date and make it repeat, so audits happen automatically without chasing. Finally, link each SOP task to any relevant team projects so it's accessible where the work happens. In Asana, you can add a single task to multiple projects, which means the SOP shows up in context without duplicating it. That's your streamlined SOP system in Asana, organized, searchable, and easy to maintain.